Time spent on our tablets is always great, but imagine how convenient it would be to have your hands free and still be able to enjoy your time with them. That's why we developed our very own tablet holder, a practical solution for keeping your hands free while taking advantage of every benefit your tablet has to offer. Let's take a closer look. Available in a variety of colors, TabletHolder is designed and manufactured in America by WeatherTech to fit every major brand of tablet on the market. And thanks to the anti-skid material on the feet and holder face, your tablet holder won't slip or slide on any flat, stable surface. TabletHolder also features a weighted base, ensuring it can hold tablets of almost any size without sacrificing stability. For a secure, convenient, and hands-free view of your tablet, look no further than WeatherTech's tablet holder.